close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We would like to inform you that Cheap and Best Men's Saloon brand is inaugurating its 4th new saloon outlet at Venkateshwara Nagar, Kolattur. After 3 successful outlets that the city loved and welcomed, we now enter a premium space keeping in mind the expanding clientele of Chennai city with affordable prices and international ambience. We promise to provide you that best service.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and
Hi, I'm Sylvia. I'm the franchisee partner of this 4th branch of Cheap and Best at Kolattur, and we do have all the services from men. This is only for men actually, and we do have A to Z, all the services like a haircut and pedicure, facial, everything we do here for men, like all the beauty services and hair services, all you can avail over here. And according to the name, this is really cheap and best, and we do have a lot of offers. People can really come and have their wonderful services over here at very low ranges. Opening offers, yeah, we do have a kind of combos like $299, $399, that they have a haircut, shave, pedi, many like that, so head to toe they can cover it up. So like that we have a very low ranges combos also right now. That is we'll be having for 1 month, and after that every month we'll be having a different kinds of offers.
Hi, this is Priya. I'm the franchise partner of Cheap and Best Kolattur. This is the men's affordable saloon, and this is the 4th saloon we have started now.
This is the 4th branch actually at Kolattur, and this is exclusive for men actually, and like according to the name, this is really cheap and best. We do all services for men like skin and hair, haircut, facial, pedi, everything, so that they can come and avail all these services, the best services, and we do have a very best staffs over here, and all of them are very affordable prices.
Thank you so much for watching this. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.
Thank you.